Greetings SQL enthusiasts. Today, we are delving into a powerful combination, group by and filtering. This dynamic duo empowers you to aggregate and analyze data in a meaningful way. Let's embark on this SQL journey together. The group by clause is like a conductor in an orchestra, organizing your data into groups. It's a pivotal tool for data aggregation. The basic syntax goes like this. We start with basic select statement followed by required columns or fields. Then from statement followed by the table name from which we want to fetch the data. Next comes the group by statement which contain the column name on which we want to group the data. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions, count, max, min, sum, average, to group the result set by one or more columns. We will see aggregate functions in a separate video. Let's begin with a basic example. Now first let's take a look at our table. Name of our table is employee and it contains fields employee ID, last name, first name, title, department and salary. We want to check department-wise employee count. The query is like this. Start with select, then for field names, here it is department. Then we add an aggregate function count. Here count, asterisk, means we are counting all the complete data, that is, all fields joined concatenated together, then we use as followed by a column name. When we use any aggregate function, a new column is created, so we need to provide a name for that column. If we do not specify any name, the system will automatically assign a random name. Followed by from table name, here it is employee_1 table. Then the group by statement followed by the field here, dept. Let's see what happens. Let's execute the query. We can see in result that we have got the departments with the employee count. So we have seen that group by works harmoniously with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, and more. They transform raw data into valuable insights. Let's see another example. In this example, we will check average salary of each department. So, we are using the aggregate function average here. Let's execute the query. The result shows the department-wise average salary. Just like a maestro conducting a symphony, you can group by multiple columns for finer granularity. So, let's look how multiple column grouping works. In this example, we will group the employees based on their department and title. Now, let's execute and see the result. We can see the code ran successfully and we got the result as we wanted. Now let's level up and add having clause to our code. Having steps in like a soloist, filtering the grouped data based on specific conditions. In this example, we will filter the departments which have average salary of above 75,000. Now, let's execute and see the result. So, the result is as we expected. Congratulations! You now possess a powerful set of tools for aggregating and filtering data in SQL. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL insights. Thank you for joining us in this SQL journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and keep expanding your SQL skills. Happy querying!